While making this video, I found that I'm really bad at using a teleprompter. I sound like I'm reading text. I guess that's because I'm reading text. So the very best teleprompter is not going to help you until you learn how to use it. It's obvious that I need a lot more practice. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to make an awesome teleprompter using stuff that you probably already have. The title of this video is Best Teleprompter App. So what do teleprompter apps actually do? There are apps out there that automatically scroll the text at a fixed rate that you can preset. Of course, you have to experiment and find out the speed to set it at. And don't change your speech rate to emphasize a point or you will be in trouble. Retake. There are apps that scroll the text as you speak the words. This sounds great until the app does not recognize a word or you want to go off script. Retake. There are problems with these apps that cause you to adapt to them instead of being your normal cool self. What if you want to pause and pull on your chin like you're thinking? Retake. What if you think of something suddenly and want to go off script? Retake. I will show you a way to make a teleprompter that puts you in total control. Elon Musk has said that the best part in an assembly is no part. In other words, eliminate parts or things whenever possible. So let's begin by not using a teleprompter app in our teleprompter. Whoa! This guy's crazy. But wait, just hang in there and let me explain. Let's go over to my computer and let me show you how to put this really cool teleprompter together. Okay, here you can see the text that I was reading at the whiteboard. And here is what I was actually reading the text from. This is a 8-inch Android tablet. I made a file of the text that you see using Microsoft Word. I increased the font size to 48 to make the text readable on the Android tablet at a distance when I'm shooting from the whiteboard. This Android tablet is being used as a mirror of my computer screen. There are several free apps available to do this. I just picked one at random. The one that I picked is called SpaceDeck. It can be downloaded from spacedesk.net. It must be installed on your computer and your Android tablet or phone. There is a link in the description. There is also a link to a video that shows how to install and use it. I am scrolling the text using the wheel on my mouse. You could also use PowerPoint and flip through slides with your mouse. You could use WordPad or another word processor. I found that my Logitech wireless mouse will work through a wall plus an additional 50 feet beyond. This means that your computer can be in a different room than where you're shooting your video. Let's take a look at the setup that I used when I shot the video at the whiteboard. I normally shoot all my videos using the camera in my cell phone. This is an adapter that I purchased to hold the phone on a tripod that has a camera shoe. If you don't know, in the US, all these mounts and adapters are made for a 1/4 screw. That means a 1/4 inch in diameter and 20 threads per inch. It might come in handy knowing this if you're going to play around with mounts and adapters. Here is an adapter that is normally used to hold a cell phone camera on the end of a selfie stick. It has an insert for a 1/4 20 screw. And here is a cheap tripod that has a 1/4 20 mounting screw so that various mounts and adapters can be attached. Okay, here's a adapter that I made to hold the tablet, and the tablet will fit in between those two little brackets. This one is free to move a little bit. It has a wing nut on the back. So this flat part here will attach between the shoe and the phone holder using that 1/4 20 screw. And I'll show you it assembled next. This is the arrangement of all the parts of my teleprompter. The camera lens is right here. You want the text to appear as close to the lens as possible. There are tablet holders that you can purchase. You don't need to make your own. They are available on a flexible gooseneck, which you can attach to your tripod. You need to end up with the text on the tablet as close to the camera lens as possible. By the way, the Microsoft Word file was generated with the paper orientation in the landscape position. Well, that's about it. So I hope you got something out of this video. And if you did, please click on that like button and consider subscribing. And until my next video comes out, here's some here that you might want to watch.